the channel, guys. In today's episode we have a few packages to open here, and guys, as you guys have seen in the past episode, we have upgraded the hose for the pressure washer. And this time, guys, it's been about a year since I purchased this MATCC pressure washer, and it did serve me okay. I didn't mind it at all. It's nice and light, and the only problem I had with this is that as I wash the car for extended period of time, I do have problems with our swiveling part of it, and that it gets really tight, and I'm really hurting my wrist in the process when I'm washing the car. So yeah, it's about time, guys, to upgrade a little bit here to a better one, and I figured invest on something that we can definitely keep for the longevity. And yeah, as I mentioned, guys, as I'm building this system that I have for washing, given that we are in the budget, running a YouTube channel like mine, I need to be cautious on basically what I'm buying here. So for me, to start with, I wanted to just make sure I have something that I could work with, and as I go, I would slowly upgrade my system, and at the same time, it gives me a bit of a content in terms of what I could show you guys, and what I could what I'll be able to actually review for you. So anyways, we will be comparing this inexpensive pressure washer gun with the new one that I'm actually going to be showing you guys. So anyways, stay tuned. Well, guys, here's our packages that came into the mail, and I'm going to show you guys what I have here. I have already opened the first one here, technically, and guess what we have today? We have our Mosmatic replacement pressure washer gun, and I figured, guys, that I truly need a better system going forward, as I'm getting proficient in the process of washing cars. And I went with the best and the best. It's actually the older version of the Mosmatic, and I know that there is a newer version of the Mosmatic product out there, but this is the 29.132, I believe, high pressure washer gun, and it has the swiveling as well, versus the old one didn't have any swiveling on it. So that was a disadvantage of this, though it is lighter, but it's really hard on my wrist, and that I'm getting pain there in the process. So at least on this one here, I do have the swiveling now, and it shouldn't cause any issue here, and it will be perfect combination with the new hose that we have purchased just recently. So yeah, so that's what I have here, and at the same time, this other box that I have here, it is basically the connectors that the quick connect stainless steel quick connect connectors here. So let me just I want to make sure that this time I'm getting a nice stainless steel products, so that way I could easily, well, not easily, but so that way we don't have to worry about it getting rusted in all 9 yards. So we get two of this quick connect, male and female here. So this will be basically going like so. I will be putting Teflon tape here shortly, and here's the front female connection. So I'll be tightening this up pretty soon here. So that's how it looks like, guys. Very nice product. I could see how well this was made. Very light trigger here. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying this out pretty soon, and I'm going to show you guys how the comparison is between the two. And then here's my wand that I'll be using here, and this is the MTM pressure washer wand, and that's how it's going to look like. Very nice. I'm enjoying it. So everything is stainless steel now, including my wand here. Yeah, so fairly excited, guys. So can't wait to show you guys what I have. So stay tuned. Well, I just want to take a look at the two products closely here guys, and as you can see that the Mosmatic is definitely a lot bigger in a sense, in terms of the way the handle is, and the whole structure of it. It is longer, but it is shorter in a way compared to this one here, and is a little bit angled in this manner versus this one's fairly straight. It's a nice design, as you can see, and in terms of the trigger itself, this one here really it's a little harder to squeeze. There's a bit of a resistance there, and it's making quite a bit of squeakiness. Maybe it's because it's been about a year in the process here, but and it has the lock, and it's nicely secure in there. And you can tell it doesn't come off in the process, you know, versus the Mosmatic one. It's like you're barely touching it, and you know, definitely that's going to help in the ergonomics of everything here, and it won't hurt my arm so much using this in the process. And the locking mechanism here is fairly straightforward. It just sits in the bottom. And easy to put back in place, versus this one here, you have to truly push it to get the lock freed up. But in this case, you just have to drop it, put it back in, and you're way to go. Yeah, again, big difference is the swiveling part. I did thought that I can make the swivel by buying the adapter in the store, and it worked for a few months, but later on it truly just locked itself, and you can't really move it. So that adapter was totally useless, and I would not recommend you guys buying that. Just a waste of money. So yeah, this looking very nice. If you look at the other side in comparison to the MTM, again, nice and solid. It's definitely heavier, but I think I can live with that. It's like double the heaviness, that's for sure. One thing is that I have a stainless steel versus a brass metal, and I'd rather have that in the process, so that way it doesn't again deteriorate over time or it gets rusted. And having to throw our gun in now in the mix. It's definitely looking very nice. I am loving it. It looks very nice. Just the ergonomics of it. It looks amazing how you're handling it quite a bit differently than the feel of it. Just the feel of the gun. It's just so different compared to the MTM gun there. So as you guys can see, you just take this and put the MTM one, That's quite a bit of difference there, guys. There's quite a bit of movements as well in the process there. So yeah, no, I'm liking the way. Get that off. I'm definitely liking the way this one looks. It's very small play compared to the MTM. I guess maybe it's because it's newer, but yeah, no, I'm liking it, guys. The way this gun looks like now, just the way the gun is positioned, it's just awesome. So yeah, I can't wait to try this out, guys. We'll see if we can find another warm weather to play with this, and definitely be able to show you guys how well this product is in the process. So yeah, I can't wait to try it out.